Hi everyone, welcome to my tutor tracks. In today's video, I'm going to share some essential tips on how to improve your TikTok videos, whether you're a beginner or just looking to up your game. These tips will help you to create more engaging and high quality content. Let's get started. The first tip is to plan your content. Before you start recording, take a moment to outline what you want to achieve with your video. Think about the message you want to convey and how you can do it creatively. Planning helps ensure your video has a clear direction and purpose, making it more engaging for your audience. Next, use good lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in video quality. Natural light is the best, so try to film during the day near a window. If that's not possible, invest in affordable ring lights or LED lights. Good lighting can make your video looks professional and visually appealing. Another important tip is to experiment with angles. Don't just stick to one static shot. Move around, try different perspectives, and see what works best for the essence you're capturing. Different angles can add depth and interest to your videos, making them more dynamic. Editing is the key to making your videos stand out. Use apps like CapCut or InShot to trim, add effects, and enhance your videos. You can add music, text, and transitions to make your content more engaging. Remember, a well-edited video can make a huge difference in retaining viewers' attentions. And finally, be consistent. Consistency helps you build a loyal audience. Try to post regularly and engage with your viewers through comments and message. Being consistent not only keeps your audience engaged but also helps with the TikTok algorithm in promoting your content. That's all for today's video on how to improve your TikTok videos. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and considering subscribing to Tutor Tracks for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.